Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved type 1, type 2 questions from exercise 6A. In this period, I am going to solve from type 3 questions. Type 3. In type 3 question, we are given which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. 18 number question. Solution 18. Which of the question we have learned before that a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place is an even number अथवा 0. यदि किसी संख्या के इकाई का अंक शून्य अथवा कोई इवन नंबर हो, सम संख्या हो, तो वह संख्या 2 से विभाज्य होती है. सो यूजिंग दिस रूल इन ए 5 to 4 here the digit at one's place is an even. So the given number is divisible by 2. Using this rule, a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place is an even. The digit at one place is 4, which is even, which is an even number. Which is an even number, so the given number is divisible by 2. Similarly, in B number question 331, here the digit at one's place is 1, which is not even, so it is not divisible by 2. And in 6C 512, digit at one's place is 2, so number C is divisible by 2. And in D number, digit at one's place is 5, which is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now I am going to solve 19 number questions. 19 number A. 19A. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? In previous class, we have learnt that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So, using this rule, 516, sum of all digits is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3, which is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 3. The test of divisibility by 3. According to this test, we know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. Here in 516, sum of all digits is equal to 12, which is divisible by 3, which is divisible by 3, so the given number is divisible by 3. Using this rule, you can do so B, C and D number question. Now, one more question. D number question of 3. 12072. 12072. 12072. It is divisible by 3 or not. To test, we find sum of all digits. Sum of all digits is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 2. Total sum is now 12 number 12, which is divisible by 3, so the given number, given number is divisible by 3. You can solve same as A and D. BC will be solved. In 20 number question, which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Which 20 number question? 20 number question. A number is 20E. E number question. E number question is 20E 74323. 74323. 323. We are asked in this question that which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. Remember divisibility test by 4. We have learnt a number is divisible by 4 if the sum of the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. If the sum of last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the whole number will divisible by 4. So using this rule, you can check that the given number is divisible by 4 or not. So in 20 number question, E number question, sum of last 2 digits. Here the number formed by last 2 digits. Number formed by E number question 20E ABC. The number formed by last 2 digits. The number formed by the number question. Which of the following are divisible by 4? E is not divisible by 3. So the given number is not divisible by 4. Here in 74,323, according to divisibility test by 4, we have learnt that the number formed by last two digit, if the number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4, then whole number will divisible by 4. Here the number formed by last two digit is 23, which is not divisible by 4, which is not divisible by 4. So the given number is not divisible by 4. In 20 number question, now in 20